I am going to teach you our grammar second lesson. Our lesson name is parts of sentences. In a first lesson, kinds of the sentences. In that lesson, we have seen what is a sentence and the kinds of the sentences. Okay, if you have any problem in first chapter, you can call me or the ask question. See, our second chapter, parts of the sentences. Okay, there are the two parts of the sentences, but before start our part of the sentences, first of all we see our one example. Ram rings the bell. Okay, Ram rings the bell. Here Ram, it is the subject. Okay, why? Because we are the talking about the noun or the pronoun or the Ram. Okay, and it is here the important word, and that's why here the Ram is the subject and the remaining part of the sentence, it is called the predicate. Okay, we see first of all the definition. Okay, see, subject, subject. See the definition of the subject. Something said about, something said about noun or pronoun. Okay, something said about a thing, noun or the pronoun, it is called the subject. Okay, and the predicate, what is the definition of the predicate, beta? Something said about subject, subject, it's called predicate. Clear it, beta? What is the subject and the predicate? Subject mean to say what, beta? Something said about the thing, it's called the subject. Okay, the important word of the sentence is called the subject, and the predicate mean to say the remaining part of the sentence is called the predicate. In the another word, something said about the subject, it's called the predicate. Okay, and when you ask a question from who, that time you get the answer, it is our subject. Clear it, beta? Mean to say, see, Ram rings the bell. Who rings the bell? Ask question, who? Okay, who rings the bell? The answer you got, Ram. Okay, and the Ram, it is the subject. Mean to say, it is very easily easily we are identified subject. Okay, and the remaining part mean to say rings the bell, rings the bell. If you ask the question with the word what, okay, that time you get the answer predicate, that time you get the answer predicate. Now we see the parts of subject. Now we see the parts of subject. Parts of the subject, beta. See, parts of the subject, there are three parts of subject. Okay, the first is, beta, determiner. Determiner. Okay, sorry, beta, first of all we have to see the main two parts of the subject. The first is, beta, qualifier. First is a qualifier. Okay, we can call it enlargement. We can call it enlargement. First of all, the two part. Okay, first is the qualifier and the second is the head word. First is the qualifier and the second is the head word. Okay, beta, clear it, beta? See, first of all the example. A boy reads. Okay, see, here a mean to say what, beta, and the boy mean to say what, and the reads mean to say what. Okay, A here is the qualifier. A here is the qualifier. A here is, beta, qualifier. And the boy is the head word. Boy is the head word. Boy is a head word. Boy is a head word. Okay, and the reads is the verb. It includes in predicate. It include in the predicate. Clear it? Mean to say, in a short way, we can say that the letter or the word which is used before the noun or the before the noun. Mean to say, a letter or the word which is used before the noun, it is called the qualifier. It is called the qualifier. Okay, next example. This girl laughs. Okay, see, this is the used before the head word, okay, before the noun, and the word before the noun, which when we use the word before the noun, it's called the qualifier, and that's why this is the qualifier, and the girl is the head word, and the laugh is the included in the predicate. Clear it? Now we divided qualifier into three parts. We divided qualifier into three parts. See, the first part is a determiner. determiner. Second is beta adjective. Second is adjective, and the third is adjective phrase. Okay, PHRASE. Beta, sorry, spelling mistake is there. PHRASE. Clear it, beta? See, determiner mean to say what, beta? Determiner mean to say the same definition of the qualifier, a word that is used before the noun or the pronoun. The word that is used before the noun or the pronoun, it is called the determiner. And the example of the determiner is, beta, a, an, the, okay, THIS these, THESE these, those, etc. Okay, and the adjective, everyone know it, describing words are called the adjective. Okay, the word which describes a noun or the pronoun, it is called the adjective. And the adjective phrase, okay, phrase mean to say what? Group of the word which make a sense but not a complete sense. And the phrase which is used for the adjective, it's called the adjective phrase. Okay, beta. See, mean to say adjective, we give the example: some, few, beautiful, etc. Okay, an adjective phrase, beta: in the house, in the hospital, in the garden, in Mumbai, etc. Okay, beta. See, we see the one example. The lady, first of all, the old lady, na? We want also the adjective beta there. Okay, see, we see the example here. The old lady in the house is dead. See, here is one example. The old lady in the house is dead. Clear it, beta, the example? See, now we divided our subject. Okay, we divided according to determiner, adjective, and the adjective phrase. The, it is the beta determiner, na? And the old, it is the adjective, because the old mean to say describing word, and the lady, it is the main word. Lady, it is the main word. Okay, and the in the house, it is the adjective phrase. It is the adjective PHRASE, adjective phrase. Clear it, beta? See, the is the determiner, old is the adjective, lady is the main word, and in the house, okay, it is the adjective phrase, and is a dead, it is a predicate. Clear it, beta? Okay. See, I will give you homework also. Okay, some sentences. Then according to that sentences, you have to add. Now add determiner, adjective or the adjective phrase. Clear it, beta? In the fill in the blank in that way, beta. And the sometimes the subject also come the gerund and the infinitive also. Okay, gerund mean to say what? Verb fourth form. For example, smoking, playing, jumping, etc. And the infinitive mean to say what, beta? 2 plus verb first form. Infinitive mean to say what, beta? 2 plus verb first form. Okay, I think so we shall stop here, and in the next period we will see later.